Vertical blinds have vertical lengths of fabric called vanes or slats that are clipped into a sliding track at the top of your window recess and operated with a wand or chain. The slats can be tilted or fully opened or closed for light and privacy. When a vertical blind is fully open, the slats hang over each other at either or both ends of your window recess, leaving your window fully exposed and the natural light entering your room. Vertical blinds can be made to fit wide or narrow width windows or doors. They are lightweight. Vertical blinds can be made to fit any depth of window or door. They can come in many different colors and patterns. They can be made in different materials to suit the room they are being fitted in, including blackout material. They are easy to maintain and just need to be dusted and occasionally wiped with a damp cloth. Vertical blinds don't tend to collect dust compared to curtains or other types of blinds. They are great for any room: bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, playrooms, conservatories, kitchens, toilets, bathrooms, hallways, landings, door windows and doors. They give you privacy in overlooked rooms and can be tilted to give you some privacy, fully closed for full privacy and fully opened for full visibility from your window or door. They can be tilted to prevent the full sunlight from entering a room, reducing glare from the sun and protecting your furniture and carpets from fading. They are easily opened and closed with minimal weight to them. Their versatility allows you to have them completely open or shut. The opening and closing mechanisms can be fitted to either side of the blind. They can be made to open from one side of your window or door frame, or they can open in the center of your window or door. The opening and closing mechanisms are child and pet safe. Vertical blinds can be a cheaper alternative to curtains and other types of blinds. Vertical blinds are a lightweight and versatile window or door covering and are stylish and practical for any room in your home or business. You can control the amount of natural light that enters a room, giving you full, partial privacy or a full view from your window or door. They are extremely lightweight, making them easy to open and close with the wand or chain mechanism, which takes the weight out of the vanes, slats, compared to wooden blinds or heavy curtains. Vertical blinds can be a subtle window covering in contemporary colors and tones, or bright and patterned to make a statement. They are extremely versatile and can be opened and closed to either side or to part in the middle of your window or door. They are subtle and don't take over a room like curtains can do, and they are fitted inside of your window or door recess, making your room feel lighter and bigger. Vertical blinds can be opened and closed to either side using a chain mechanism, and they can also be made to open from the center and leaving the vanes, slats on each side of the window or door frame, and these are known as split-stack vertical blinds. A wand or chain which can be fitted to either side of the blind and is used to tilt the vanes, slats to the position you want them in, giving you full or partial privacy or allowing you to block out the sun's glare without having them fully closed. The vanes, slats need to be open when you retract the blind to allow a full view from your window or door. You can fit vertical blinds yourself, however, it can be tricky, especially if you have a wide window or door opening. Good and reputable blind companies will measure your window, make your blinds to fit perfectly, and then come back and fit them for you. This takes away the stress of measuring them incorrectly and/or fitting them. The blind fitters will be highly experienced and have the tools and know how to quickly and efficiently fit your blinds whilst you sit back and have a cup of tea. If you are looking for vertical blinds, we have a huge selection of materials, colors and patterns to choose from, and we offer a free measuring and fitting service in your home or business in Glasgow, Stirling, Coatbridge, Bathgate, Motherwell, Edinburgh, East Kilbride and the surrounding areas.